Good morning, friends. Today I have come for interval section. It will be a short one since I am on tapering for Tata Steel 25K, which is to be conducted next week. So, taking care of that. And today is somewhat foggy morning. Now the sun has come out, otherwise I waited for a while, but I didn't find that, so I didn't have my shorts and my upper shortcut for running. I had these normal wear so that I can escape the cold, because taking care, being cautious about all these things becomes necessary. I will be doing a short interval session so that I may be remain active and not indulging in much more or on regular training basis as you used to do. I will not be doing that thing now. On a easy run, almost more than a kilometer has been covered, and I think it will be almost 1.5 kilometer. Thereafter I will start my interval session. Friends, second interval progression, almost 600 meters has been done. I'm on the job, man. I have to maintain quality here instead of quantity. Okay, friends, let me kill it. Let me go. Almost 200 meters left. Friends, 2 completed, and I think I usually in training I usually do 6. Today I will restrict myself for 3 only. That is 50% of my main training session workout. That becomes necessary. Not to be overexcited, not to indulge in much quantity workouts, only do quality workout to the point, specifically meant for the race. Friends, completed 3. I think these are enough for today, because I don't want to indulge much. I have to preserve my energy for my race day. That's a motto, you know. Don't give your 100% here. And actually, intervals are in the range of almost 85 to 95% of your maximum speed. That is VO2 max. What is your VO2 max? 85 to 95% of that speed. So I did that. You have to be in touch with your speed works. Though the race is a week ahead, but I have to maintain the speed. I have to remain connected with my speed workouts also. So now no more hard session this week. Only I will be doing some easy runs with strides. And let us see how the things move, and then that enjoyable, that lifelong memorable 25 Tata Steel 25K international run. I think elite runners are there, foreigners are there, Ethiopians, Ugandan, and all those persons, and looking to those persons, young chaps and our Indian elite runners will be there. So it will be memorable, I think so. I feel and I am hoping so much. I have completed my more than 1 kilometer easy run after intervals, and now I will close the session after cool down. Overall it has been nice, though when I started sun was not there. Now it's bright and quite looking nice. Okay friends, thank you for connecting with me. and listening me patiently as usual. Maintain your health, be with your close ones, and of course, take care of your elders. Okay. Have a nice day.